Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be discussing the 24 most difficult words from UPSC Prelims 2020 CSAT paper. So the first word is volatile. Volatile means liable to change rapidly and unpredictable. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अस्थिर या चंचल. An example sentence straight from the paper is private investment in general is volatile. The next word is accentuation. Accentuation is the act of making something more noticeable or intense. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है तीव्रता या बढ़ावा. An example sentence straight from the paper is the adverse consequences are unstable employments and an accentuation of income and regional inequalities. The next word is skewed. Skewed means distributed unevenly or not balanced. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है असमान रूप से वितरित. An example sentence straight from the paper is many opportunities to harness the highly skewed seasonal and spatial distribution of monsoon flows have been lost. Then we have harness. Harness means to control and make use of something for a purpose. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उपयोग में लाना. An example sentence straight from the paper is many opportunities to harness the highly skewed seasonal and spatial distribution of monsoon flows have been lost. The next word is potable. Potable means safe and clean enough for drinking. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है पीने योग्य. An example sentence straight from the paper is water delivery requires heavy investment in collecting it from a natural source, treating it to make it potable. The next word is eminently. Eminently means to a notable degree. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अत्यधिक या बेहद. An example sentence is it makes eminent sense to invest in education. The next word is unprecedented. Unprecedented is something that has been never done before or something that has been never known before. An example sentence is all this led to unprecedented fall in poverty. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अभूतपूर्व. The next word is substantive. Substantive means having a real, meaningful, independent existence. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है वास्तविक. An example sentence is a right is a substantive right only if it works in all situations and for everyone. The next word is abstain. Abstain means to deliberately hold back from doing something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है परहेज करना. In the paper, it was used as the role of the state is not just to abstain from preventing rightful free expression. The next word is augmenting. Augmenting means making something greater by adding to it. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बढ़ाना. In the paper, it was used as efforts at engineering water system are thus efforts at augmenting water supply rather than strengthening the capacities of ecological systems. The next word is adamant. Adamant means refusing to change one's mind completely firm. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अडिग. In the paper, it was used as we are adamant about seeking predictability with our future. The next word is prodigious. Prodigious means remarkably large or impressive in size or extent. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है असाधारण या विशाल. An example sentence from the paper is they were planting primarily one prodigious variety, the lumper potato. The next word is frailty. Frailty is the condition of being weak or fragile. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है कमजोरी या नाजुकपन. In the paper, it was used as the lumper potato whose genetic frailty would be cruelly exposed by the fungus. The next word is amenable. Amenable is open and responsive to. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अनुकूल या उपयुक्त. In the paper, it was used as because its size will be uniform, it will be amenable to mechanical harvesting. The next word is wary. Wary means feeling caution about possible dangers or problems. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सावधान या चौकन्ना. In the paper, it was used as Business houses are wary of investing too heavily in renewable energy at a time when the technology is not yet ready. The next word is prefatory. Prefatory means serving as an introduction to something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है भूमिका स्वरूप. An example sentence straight from the paper is the closing words of this prefatory rider in Article 25 virtually constitute a subordination clause. The next word is rider. Rider means an extra condition or clause added to a legal document. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अतिरिक्त उपबंध. In the paper, it was used as the closing words of this prefatory rider. The next word is subordination. Subordination means the state of being placed in a lower or less important rank. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अधीनता. In the paper, it was used as constitute a subordination clause placing other fundamental rights over and above the right to religious freedom. The next phrase is inter alia. Inter alia means among other things. It's a Latin legal phrase. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अन्य बातों के साथ साथ. In the paper, it was used as elaborated in later articles to mean inter alia that the state shall not deny equal protection of laws. The next phrase is booms and busts. Booms and busts are the periods of rapid economic growth followed by sharp downturns. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है आर्थिक उछाल और मंदी के दौर. In the paper, it was used as in a market economy with booms and busts, banks should be allowed to set up and to fail. The next word is spores. Spores are tiny reproductive particles produced by fungi or plants. In Hindi, it means bijanu. In the paper, it was used as in 1845, spores of the deadly fungus began spreading across the country. The next word is profess. Profess means to openly declare or claim a belief or faith. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है खुलकर घोषित करना या स्वीकार करना. In the paper, it was used as all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice, and propagate religion. The next word is propagate. Propagate means to spread and promote a belief or idea widely. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रचार करना. In the paper, it was used as the right freely to profess, practice, and propagate religion. So the last word is perennial. Perennial means lasting for a long or apparently infinite time. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बारहमासी. In the paper, it was used as water shortage in our cities is a perennial problem that cannot be solved. So these were the 24 most difficult words from UPSC CSAT 2020 paper. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.